We have Harjinder Singh ji with us. He's from Pine Hill, New Jersey. So let's talk to him and we'll see what he has to say for today's protest. वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह जियो.
हाँ जी, वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह.
Bhai Sahib ji, what do you say about today's protest?
Before I say anything about it, I represent Sikh Coordination Committee East Coast. I'm the media spokesman.
Sure.
And we are here to protest Modi's visit to United States.
Ji.
And you know that Modi, when he killed thousands of Muslims in 2002, his visa was revoked for 10 years to come to United States and European Union.
That's true.
And Modi is doing the same tricks again now that he's doing transnational repression. His National Investigative Agency has issued a list of 21 Sikhs, diaspora Sikh independence leaders, who are on the hit list. Out of those, they have already eliminated 4 Sikhs in other countries, including what everybody heard about that, the Canadian Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar.
Ji.
Now he has issued a bounty to kill Gurpratwant Singh Pannu, who is a US citizen. He's a legal counsel of Sikhs for Justice. And he was unfortunately for Hindus, when they were trying to hire a killer, that killer was an undercover FBI agent. So everybody was recorded on tape. And FBI and United States, through their intelligence, has all the information, including the Nijjar killing, and they had the video evidence of that,
right,
which was transmitted within 45 minutes to Indian government in India.
True.
And you know, Indian intelligence agency's head is run by RAW, Research and Analysis Wing. And that guy who was the head of RAW at that time, he has retired since. But the RAW head is a direct report to Prime Minister Modi. And he gets instructions from Modi. So these killings are being done on the orders of Narendra Modi. He made a statement in Indian Parliament, "Ghus ke marenge." It means we'll get into your houses and we'll kill you over there. So that's the kind of person Modi is. He's an international terrorist. Right now there are 2 bills in US Congress, one in Senate and one in House, which are called Transnational Repression Acts, which are going to put very severe penalties against the culprits who are doing TNR, which Modi is a direct evidence. And on that act, they can revoke the visas, they can deport those people, and they can go long prison sentences.
Oh, I see.
So this is under consideration. We have gone to US congressional hearings where we have presented the evidence. So the US Senate and Congress knows about it. And yesterday, Sikh activists went to White House. In the White House, they met with the 15 senior officials of different US agencies, including the Homeland Security and other foreign affairs agencies. And they are fully up to the speed. They already know what's going on. They just wanted to get upfront information to Biden before he meets Modi.
Okay.
So now let me tell you one other thing. Modi is here because of Quad meeting. Quad is a 4-country alliance which has put together to resist China in Southeast Asian region. So in this there's Japan, Australia, India, and United States. These are 4 members of Quad. This was made so many years back, and after what Modi has done, it was mostly defunct. Now, Biden is trying to preserve his legacy. He got like few months left as U.S. president. He's trying to make this issue that it becomes his legacy. There's nobody behind it. Quad is kind of, the Prime Minister of Japan has only 1 month left on his term. So all these people are just here to just show their faces. And Modi has a minority government which can fall anytime. I'll not be surprised if it does happen. Like Hasina's government fell, Modi can be gone too, because he has alienated the whole Western countries by doing what he's doing. He has a close relationship with Putin. He has a close relationship with Koreans, and he's funding the Ukraine war, which West is fighting, by buying 80% of the Indian oil comes from Russia.
That's right.
And they got it for a big discount. So what I'm saying is Modi's image is totally tarnished. Everybody knows about it. That's the reason Sikhs were called in White House yesterday, Sikh leaders. Dr. Prithpal Singh was there. There's only 5 people over there, and a couple of other people from SADF and Sikh Coalition.
So that's the news. So that's the news.
That's the news.
Yeah.
It's in Reuters. I can send you. It's all over the media.
Yeah.
And so what we are asking here is, in this demonstration, that India should be kicked out of Quad. That's one demand.
Right.
The second demand is to cancel the visa of Modi so he cannot come to Western countries. So these are the 2 main demands we are presenting, because he's an international terrorist.
Yes, he's a terrorist. He's a butcher.
Yes.
Of Gujarat.
Right. So I think I'm willing to answer any other questions you may have.
All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate your sharing all this knowledge. Thank you so much.
Thank you.